Zoe Meneghetti, and I am an account executive at Miro. I first started using Pocus as an SDR back in August, and today as an AE, it's still a really big part of my workflow. I used to spend, I would say, probably 2/3 of my day prospecting, switching between different reports, finding people to reach out to. But now with Pocus, I'm able to cut that time in half, if not more than half, to actually give myself more time to personalize the emails that I am sending and really anchor down what accounts I should be going after. So overall, just like through having Pocus, I've been able to save so much time, which has helped me be better at my job. I honestly can't even remember life before Pocus because that's how great it's been. But I think the biggest problem before Pocus was I would get lost on who to reach out to. I have 50 plus accounts with 10,000 plus employees each. So it made it really difficult to narrow down and really find my golden prospects who I should be actually spending my time on. With Pocus, it services all these contacts that I didn't even know existed beforehand, which has ultimately helped me source deals and will help me close deals too. The seamlessness when it comes to seeing a prospect and sending them an email. Before I had to switch between a bunch of different tools to do that one action, but in Pocus, it's all right there. And it's just seamless. Your reps will thank you if you choose to use Pocus. It'll save you time. It'll help you just finding the best prospects. And it's made me a better rep because I've been able to hone on more of my skills on customized emails or customized account management because I'm not spending vast majority of my day looking at prospects who shouldn't necessarily always be worth my time. Again, can't imagine life before Pocus. I'm so thankful that my company uses it because it's just been a game changer in the way that I prospect. It's one of the reasons I've been successful in my role.